Good morning, students. As you can see, last time I had explained you about the word problem, and here the same exercise 3D, and before word problem I am showing you. A man earns rupees 405 every day. How much will he earn if he works 323 days in a year? Now if you will see, here everyday earning is given, and then after you have to find 323 days. Of course it will become bigger, so it is more. So here it has been written, amount earned in one day is equal to 405, and then after amount that will be earned in 323 days will become, of course, rupees 405 into 323. Here in by the left side you can see multiplication has been done by writing the order, place value order over here. You can see, if you will not write this also, then also it will be okay, this place value order, but multiplication you have to show as it has been shown over here. The multiplication you can see 5 3 are 15, carry 1, again 3 0 are 0, and 1 is added over here in 10th place, no carry now. 4 3 are 12, 2, and 1 carry is there, and there is no number further, so 1 will be written in the next column, that is in thousand column. When we are multiplying with 10th digit, then we are leaving unit digit. So in unit digit where you can leave it, or even you can keep it 0. Better to keep 0 in unit digit. Now 10th digit we will be starting from 10th. So 5 to the 10, 10 0 is there, carry 1, 4 to the 8, okay, sorry, 2 0 is 0, and 1 was carry over there, so 1 is here, and then after 4 to the 8. In same way with 3 it has been multiplied. You can see this is now 100th digit, so in ones and tens there will be 0, and 3 5 is 15, 5, carry 1 is there, so 4 3 is 12, sorry, 3 0 is 0, and 1 carry was there, so 0 and 1 1, and 4 3 is 12. Now all are added. You can see 5 1 0 0, that is 1, and 2 1 3 3 and 5 8, 1 and 8 9, 9 1 10 0, carry 1, so 2 1 3 and 1 is there. So it becomes 1,30,850 rupees that he earned in 323 days, because this is the same multiplication, 405 into 323, that is rupees 1,30,850. Thus a man will earn rupees 1,30,850 in 323 days. It has not been written. Even you can write it that also. If you will see, after that there is exercise 3D, which is a word problem only. All the questions are over here, you can see it, and when I am explaining you this or saying the solution which I had seen, you should watch your book also. Okay, so let's see. I am moving towards the solution. Okay, these all are the page which I will be explaining later on during online class. Okay, so you can see exercise 3D. Here price of each toy is equal to rupees 129. That in the question it has been given, price of toy. Okay, one toy is how much? 129. Okay, and total number of sold toys is 453, and it has been said in question that how much he had earned. If you will see, I am showing you the question, by selling how much toys? 453 toys. What was the amount earned? So we had multiplied. Even you can see here in language only I had shown the multiplication also, and simply multiplied. What happens when the problem becomes longer? It appears little bit difficult to you. Actually it is not difficult. So you can see here, over here itself I had given the multiplication sign, and then after I had multiplied. 9 3 is 27, carry 2, 3 2 is 6, and 2 8, and 3 1 is 3. In same way 10th digit is there, so unit digit becomes 0. 9 5 is 45, carry 4, 5 2 is 10, and 4 14, carry 1, 5 1 is 5, and 1 6. So with 4, okay, it is 100th place, so 0 0 will be there, and 9 4 is 36, 6, carry 3, 4 2 is 8, and 3 11, carry 1, 4 1 is 4, and 1 5. So 7 is there, 8 5 13 3 is there, carry 1 is left. Okay, so 3 1 4, 4 and 4 8, and 8 6 14, again carry 1 is left. So 6 1 7, 7 and 1 8, and 5 as it is. So it becomes 58,437. So I had written at last with this only. Hence the amount earned by shopkeeper is equal to rupees 58,437. If we will see next question, that is question number 2. It is 7,525 tickets were sold by the organizers of a program. Okay, a program was organized. Okay, I hope all of you know program. In our school also several programs are organized, but of course in that there is no any ticket. This you can see your parents are sent invitation, but here if you will see in auditorium there several cricket matches happens, and others program also in our polo field, in fact in Darbhanga itself several times it happens. So there for each seat a ticket is sold. Last time their Expo Tour 2020 was held in polo field. There was ticket of 10 rupees. If any one of you had gone, you might have remembered. So here also each ticket is of 120 rupees, and organizer sold 7,525 tickets. Okay, of 120 rupees. So it is being asked that how much amount was collected if each ticket was sold for rupees 120. That means total amount it is asking. Of course the total amount will be equal to the number of ticket into price of ticket. So simply I have written the total number of ticket. You can see here number of tickets sold by organizer is equal to 7,525. Price of each ticket sold is equal to rupees 120, and I had multiplied. Okay, and while multiplying it will become 0 5 ja 0, 0 2 ja 0, 0 5 ja 0, 0 7 ja 0. If you remember last time also I had said 0 is such number which when multiplied to any number gives the result 0 only. So now it is at the 10th place. So 10th place is from 10th place we will write. So unit place becomes 0. Now 5 to ja 10, 0 in 10th place. Then 2 to ja 4 and 1 was carry, because 5 to ja 10, 0 was there and 1 was carry. So 2 to ja 4 and 1 5. And now 5 to ja 10, again 0 carry 1, 7 to ja 14 and 1 15. In same way with 1 when you will multiply, the number will itself, as we know the identity property of multiplication. Okay, I will be explaining about these all properties after this exercise explanation. You can see over here. So it becomes unit and 10th digit it becomes 0 only, and 100th digits, from 100 digits it starts 5 1 ja 5, and then after 1 2 ja 2, 1 5 ja 5, and then after 1 7 ja 7. So all added you can see 0 0, and then after 5 5 10 0, carry 1 is there. So 2 and 1 3, and then after 5 5 10 0 and 1 carry is there. So 7 and 1 8 and 1 9 is there. Okay, so what happens, the total money he earned by that is got by selling the ticket is rupees 9,03,000. So here I written hence total amount of collection by selling ticket by organizer is equal to rupees 9,03,000. Okay, now if you will see question number 3, then in question number 3 it has been said, here it is the question, you can see it. A passenger aircraft flies 810 km in 1 hour. How many kilometers will it fly in 13 hours at the same speed? Now just see, here speed of 1 hour is given, and here it's saying that speed doesn't changes. Okay, speed does not changes. So in that case, when speed remains same, so the distance covered in 13 hours will be equal to but distance covered in 1 hour into 13, because the speed remains same, it does not changes. So as you can see, here it has been written, you can see the solution. I have written over here. Here distance covered by aircraft in 1 hour, okay, is equal to 810 kilometer. M is not visual properly, you will understand km it is. And the time duration of flight, as it has been said, how much? 13 hours you have to find. So we have multiplied 810 with 13, you can see. In fact, if you are knowing 13 table directly also you can write 13 0 ja 0, 13 1 ja 13, 3 carry 1, 13 8 ja how much? 104 and 105. Like this also you can do, or you can multiply with 3 at first, 3 0 ja 0, 3 1 ja 3 and 8 3 ja 24, and then after 1 it is in tens place, so unit 0 and 1 0 ja 0 and 1 1 ja 1 and 1 8 ja 8. So adding, you can see 0, then after 3, then after 4 1 5 and 8 to 10, so it becomes 10,530. Okay, so at last I had written, hence total distance covered in 13 hours is equal to 10,530. I hope all of you are understanding it. Now we will move towards question number 4. As you can see, solution was there. In same way, question number 4 is also over here. Here is the question. One corrugated box contains 75 bottles. Okay, how many what is it? Yes, how many bottles will 1025 such box contains? Okay, so students, here also you have to multiply it. Okay, we have to multiply 1025 with 75. Why? Because there is 1025 boxes, and in each boxes there is how much? 75 bottles. Now, do you know what corrugated means? Corrugate means crushed. Okay, crushed bottle. If you might have seen, when you are drinking the water in any water bottle, then you might have seen there it is said that crush before throwing. Why? Because that bottle is made only for single use. Okay, and that should not be used again and again, and as there is preservative is not there added for previous next things which will be kept in the bottle. If you might have seen, if you will keep the water and if you will leave, after 2-3 days you will see the water color change over there, because there is no preservative. But the same bottle, when it is sealed, the water is not used, if it is kept for 10 days also, then its color does not change. Because why? In that water there is preservative, and when it is used, then preservative from there has been lost, so it should not be used again. So it has been said crush before throwing. Although we are using it and we are washing and cleaning the bottle by ourselves several times. Okay, so that is corrugated. Corrugated means crushed bottle. Okay. So here it has been said 75 crushed bottles can be there in one box. So how many bottle will be there in 1025 box? As already I had said that you have to multiply it. As you can see over here, I had multiplied also. Here total number of corrugated box is equal to 1025. Number of bottle in each corrugated box is equal to 75. So I had multiplied 5 5 25, carry 2, 5 2 10 and 2 12, carry 1, 5 0 0 and 1 is there, 5 1 5. Okay. Now with 7 7 5 35, carry 3, 7 2 14 and 3 17, carry 1, 7 1 7 and 7 0 0 and 1, 1 and 7 1 is 7. So it has been added. You can see 5 and 0 5, 5 and 2 7, 7 and 1 8, 5 1 6, and then after 7. So at last I had written, hence total number of bottles in 1025 boxes is equal to how much? 76,875. I hope all of you are understanding this. If you will see, 5 question number is also over there, and before explaining that, of course I will show you question number 5 and I will explain you question number 5. So let's see 5. In question number 5, here it is: a wholesaler buys 5,325 chandeliers, each for rupees 130. What amount does he pay for all the chandeliers? Students, do you know what chandeliers means? You might be not knowing, so I am explaining you how to understand chandeliers in your home. Okay, if you will see, there is a decorative piece hanged in the middle of the room, okay, or anywhere in the gallery, okay, that is chandelier. Chandelier means in Hindi you can even say it jhumar, okay, which is hanged in the middle of the house. Okay, so here it has been said the same thing, that a wholesaler buys that much chandelier, that means 5,325 chandeliers, each for rupees 113. What amount does he pay for all chandeliers? So of course one cost is this much, that this much cost will be this much into this much, that means 5,325 into rupees 130. So I had written the same things here. The total number of chandeliers is equal to 5,325. As you can see over here, yes, here the total number of chandeliers is equal to 5,325. Price of each chandelier is equal to rupees 113. Then I had multiplied it. Of course I had forgotten to keep over here multiply sign. You can multiply it, and then after you can write 3 18 5 is 65, carry 6, 13 to the 13 5 I had said, 3 5 is 15, carry 1, 3 2 is 6 and 1 7, 3 3 is 9, 3 5 is 15. Now it is 10th place, so 1's place 0. Now from 10th it will be start. 5 1 is 5, 2 1 is 2, 3 1 is 3, 3 and 1 5 is 5. So in same way, in 100th place also there is 1. So in 10th and unit place there will be 0, and 100th place the number itself 5 2 3 5 it will be, because already I had said when we multiply any number with 1, the number doesn't change, it remains same. So now we will add these all. You can see 5 plus 0 plus 0, it will be 5 only. 7 plus 5, it is 12, carry 1. 9 1 10, 10 to 12, 12 5 17, 7, carry 1 is there. 5 1 6, 6 3 9, 9 2 11, carry 1 is there. So 1 1 2, 2 5 7, and 7 and 3 10, carry 1 is there. So 5 1 6. So rupees 6,01,725 he had paid for all chandeliers. Okay, now if you will see, earlier there was last question 6 also, which I didn't adjust it in that page. So I had just explained question number 6 in next page. So let's see question number 6 at first. Mr. Shyam Sundar's monthly salary is rupees 40,545. What is his annual income? You have to find his annual income. So how to find his annual income? You have to multiply monthly income with 12. Why 12? Because annual means yearly, and yearly means 1 year. Okay, so in 1 year there is 12 months. So if monthly income is given and you have to find yearly income, then you have to multiply it with 12. So I written over here, Mr. Okay, you can see over here. Yes, second page. Here annual income means yearly. So in 1 year there are 12 months. So monthly salary is equal to rupees 40,545. yearly salary is equal to rupees 40,545 into 12. I had multiplied here. Inside you can see 5 to the 10, 0 carry 1, 4 to the 8 and 1, 9, then after 5 to the 10, 0 carry 1, 4, and then after 2, 0 the 0 and 1 was there, so 1, and then after 4 to the 8. In same way with 1 we will multiply, then the whole number will be there, but it is in 10th place, so 1 unit place there will be 0. So you can see 0, 5, 4, 5, 0, 4, it has been written, and then after it has been added 0, 0, 0, 9, 5, 14, carry 1, 4, 1, 5, then after 5, 1, 6, 8 and 4, so it becomes how much? Rupees 4,86,540 yearly salary. So I written here yearly salary is equal to rupees 40,000 into 545 into 12, that is rupees 4,86,540. I hope all of you had understood this exercise. And before starting 3E, there are some properties which I had said you that earlier also I had said that I will be explaining you. You can see here it has been written also properties of multiplication. Multiplicative property of 1. While explaining the multiplication, I had said that 1 by 1 when we multiply any numbers, then the result is number itself. So even 1 is known as multiplicative identity of the number. If you will see the next one, you can see over here it has been written a number multiplied by 1 gives the number itself. An example it has been shown, that is 51,421 into 1 it will become 51,421. Multiplicative property of 0. A number multiplied by 0 gives a 0. That means example it has been shown like 43,915 when multiplied with 0 it is 0 only. Question number 3. Okay, here it has been also said here written 1 is called the multiplicative identity. Already I had said, because 1 with 1 when it is multiplied the result is number itself, so it is multiplicative identity. Now another is order property. What does the order property means? Order property is generally, when you will go in higher class you will understand that this property is also called commutative property. I will tell you the spelling now. I will not speak more about commutative property. Commutative property spelling is COMMUTATIVE, and in lower class we read it as order property. This is for two numbers, like you can see over here in example it has been shown. Let's see what it has been written at first over here. The product of two numbers does not change if order of numbers, that is factors, is changed. That is, when we multiply two numbers like 7 into 19, then it will be equal to 19 into 7. When order change, there is no change in the result. As you can see here also example it has been shown, 195 into 67 it becomes 13,065. In same way, when we multiply 67 with 195, you can see their places has been changed. At first 195 was there, and then after there is 67. In that case also the result will be 13,065. This is only the order property of multiplication. Now there comes associative property of multiplication. Actually it is based on three number. It is just like order only, but here three numbers are there, and out of that three numbers, if any two is added at first and the third or the next at third, then the result is same. Sorry, multiplied. I am saying about added, not added. If any two numbers are multiplied at first and then the third, then the result will be equal. Like you can see over here it has been shown that 563 into 20 into 5 is also equal to 560 into 20. This is in bracket. 563 into 20 in this side it is in bracket, and here 20 into 5 is it in bracket. Bracket means what? As you had read about the BODMAS formula, you must be knowing that bracket work is done first. So here 20 into 5 is multiplying first, and here 563 into 20 is multiplying first. Here by multiplying it for 20 into 5 it becomes 100, but while here multiplying it, if you will see 0, 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 1, carry 1, 5 to the 10 and 1, 11. So here it becomes 11,260. Now here at last with 5 multiplied, and here at last with 563 multiplied. If you will see it is 563, sorry 5,63,100, and when we will see over here, it will become how much? 5,63,000 only. Okay, so what happens? Sorry, 5 lakh I had said, sorry, that is not 5 lakh, 56,300. So what happens when any number is multiplied, 3 number is multiplied with different order, then also their result are equal. Okay, now we will see, here it is, distributive property of multiplication over addition. In fact, it can be for subtraction also. As you can see here, read the text at first. What is there? In distributive property of multiplication over addition, one or both the factor are split into two or more parts, and each part is separately multiplied and then added. What it has been said over here? In distributive property of multiplication, suppose if two numbers are in addition and they are in multiply, that means their product after addition and multiplication will be same as before addition and then multiplication. Now here the question comes, what type of before multiplication? So let's see, here it has been shown like 15 into 2. So it has been written 10 plus 5 into 2. So 10 into 2 and 2 into 5. So it will become 30. So now if you will see, so students, as you can see over here, associative property is the property of multiplication, okay, where order changes, then also there is no change in what saying result. And distributive property is what? Just see over here, it is 15. So what happened? 10 plus 5 into 2. Now 10 plus 5 is 15, so this 10 will be also multiplied with 2 and this 5 will also be multiplied with 2. It will become 10 into 2 plus 5 into 2. So 20 plus 10, that is 30. You will see 15 into 2 is also 30, and when we distribute, then also there is the result 30 only. So what happens? That is distributive property, and that's visual only shown over here. 2 rows of 15 apples becomes 30 only. And then after, if you will see, 10 apples 2 rows and 5 apples 2 rows, that also becomes 30 only. So distributive property holds. If you will see example 7, here it has been said, use the distributive property of multiplication over addition to compute the product of the following, that is 14 into 25. 14 into 25 means 10 plus 4 into 25. So 10 into 25 plus 4 into 25. 10 into 25, of course, when 10 is multiplying any number, that number ends with one more 0, that is 25, no 0 is there, so it becomes 250. And 25 into 4, if you will multiply, you will get 100. You have to multiply like this, 5 to the 10, 0, carry 1, 4 to the 8, sorry, 5 for the 20, 0, carry 2, 4 to the 8 and 2, 10. So it becomes 250 plus 100, that is 350. In same way, if you will see, 193 into 43, it becomes 193 plus 40 into 3. Students, you have to arrange in such a way so that the multiplication becomes easy. You can see with 40, of course 10 will be there, and with 4 it will be multiplied. 4 3 is 12, 2, carry 1, 9 4 is 36 and 137, carry 3, 4 1 is 4 and 3 7. So it becomes 7720 plus, and 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, carry 2, 3 1 is 3 and 2 5. So it becomes how much? 7720 plus 579, it becomes 8299. This is distributive property. In fact, distributive property also holds true for subtraction. If you will see over here, it has been said, teacher support explain how distributive property of multiplication over subtraction is also useful to some of the products like this. You can see 193 into 43. It can be done 200 minus 7 into 43 also. Although it has been explained in exercise about only addition. So in exercise I had made only of addition, but you can make this property also over subtraction, that means multiplication over subtraction, distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. As you can see, 193 into 43, it becomes 200 minus 7 into 43. So 200 into 43 minus 7 into 43. So if you will see 40 just 20, and then after 3 to just 6 and 4 to just 8, and here with 7 3 just 21, carry 2, 7 4 just 28, and 2 301. So what will happen? 86 100 minus 301, it becomes 8299. Both the results are same. So distributive property over multiplication also occurs, and distributive property over addition is also there, and distributive property over subtraction is also there. That's all you can see, or it has been shown over here like this also. 3 times you can do, that means 100 into 43 plus 90 into 43 plus 3 into 43. Actually this makes us easier. You can see 43 into 100 is 4300, 90 into 43 it has been multiplied, 9 4 ja 9 3 ja 27, 10 is there, and 2 9 4 ja 36, and 2 38, so 3870, and 3 multiplied with 43, it gives 3 3 ja 9, and 4 3 ja 12, 129. So what happened? 4300 plus 3870 plus 129, it has been added. You can see 43 plus 38, it becomes 81, and if you will see 129 plus 70, it becomes 199. So 8100 plus 199, it becomes 8299. So 3E also I had solved and said you watch it in next online class, or in this what saying PDF and video. I will be explaining exercise 3E and further text. Okay, till then, thank you, take care, do the work, and make yourself strong in mathematics. Thank you very much.